good, anglers? Blackfisher back at it again. And today we're gonna do some fall creek fishing. This is my favorite time of the year. I love it when the trees are turning orange and gold, leaves are falling, air is getting kind of crisp. But you know what I love more than that? This is the time that the fish are getting fat for winter. So this is an excellent time to get out here on the creek. For today's menu, we're gonna serve up a small micro crankbait, perch colored, green on the top with the black stripes, silver at the bottom. I think that'll be an excellent lure for today because I do believe they are gonna be aggressive. Looking back at my fishing experiences here in Germany, I've had the most luck during the fall time. You know, when the weather cools down, it just seems like everything just gets more aggressive. So I expect that this round, I'm gonna catch multiple species of fish. So of course I'll catch perch and pike, but I think I'm gonna catch a good sized chub as well. Maybe even get lucky and catch an eyed, but we'll see. Enough talking. Let's get at it. Oh, let's try not to fall. Like I did. Oh. God dang. I'm always falling. Whatever fish is there, they go now. Good Lord, I'm always falling. We'll go with it a little bit longer. I'll get off of there. I mentioned this water's cold. Water's cold. There we go. Got him underneath the chin. Oh, come on, stop it. Ouch. Stop it. All right, I guess I won't be changing. Wrong pocket. Not bad. Not bad for a little creek perch, huh? This looks like a pretty good little run. Yes, sir. Oh, what is this? Catching everything underneath the chin. We got ourselves a chub. All right, buddy. Kind of caught you in the eye. Look at that. Aggressive little guy. That's a good perch. That's a good perch. No, that's a chub. That's a nice one. I think it's a chub, might be an eyed. Should have brought my net. I'm gonna take you to the shoreline, buddy. That is a decent fish. Oh no! He slipped into the water, y'all. Just my luck. And that's why I'm about to go get my net. Never leave home without your net. That's a lesson learned. All right, and we're back. Trying not to fall in the water. Not this time. Haha. All right, you got to be careful dipping in here, because though you can see the bottom, it's not always what it seems. Depth perception will be a little off. Not this time. I'm gonna quickly move through here. Water's about to my knees, but I've hardly caught anything in this run. They don't seem to sit here. I've taken my time through here before. They seem to just transient all through here and hit the next little hole for the most part. Yeah, it's a sandy bottom. I don't usually catch too many fish in sandy bottoms. Usually when I get back on the stone, that's where they'll be. I just kind of move through here. All right, up here to the right, there's gets a little deep. There's a little hole right there on the right. Toss in there and see if we can get lucky. It's funny because during the wintertime it gets extremely shallow over here. Oh, yes, sir. Hey, that's a chub. That's a nice fish. No, it might be a pike. Yep, it's a pike. That's a nice creek pike. Not bad. Not bad at all. All right, little classic pike, little creek pike. Not bad. It's a little bit pale. Still beauty. You gotta love creek fishing, baby. You gotta love creek fishing. This is a lot of fun right here. This little mini crankbait is catching everything. It's indiscriminate. I was hoping for some perch on perch action. Might be able to walk through the other side. There we go. Another pike. Just the pike. Alright. I don't really want to get you caught up in my net. Let's see if I can just nab you. Just like that. Oh, looks like you got a partner in here somewhere. Here's some movement. There's one gone. Two. Three. Oh, they got like, I don't know, little leeches or something on him. Yeah, you got yourself some leeches, man. Look at that. You see him? Huh. Yeah, buddy, we're gonna knock you guys off. Oh, you're on there. He's on there. Good. Get off of him. I didn't even know they had leeches. See? That's why I got waders on. I thought the water was just cold. Got leeches, all kind of crap.